Welcome to the in front of me Huawei MatePad 10.4, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the sounds and vibration section, and you'll see here the sound and sound mode sections. You just can switch it. We can see that one would turn on silent mode. Our notifications, they are muted, and in silent mode they ring again. We can also set the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can set a schedule here, so for example the start and the end time of the don't disturb. We can see here the volume of notifications, alarms, musics, and medias. We can change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panels. We can here see the default volume button control functions. So here we have the media and the ringtones or notifications. We can just switch it. So now, for example, by press up or down volume button, we'll switch the ringtone. We can also switch it to the media again. Also, we can switch the notification sound here, and in more sound settings we can turn on and turn on the start device, turn on and turn off sounds, the screen lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, and screen touches. So now we can hear them when we'll turn them off. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Huawei MatePad. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.